For almost a decade, one name that has been impossible to ignore in global music, BTS. Seven artists from South Korea who transformed from underdogs into one of the biggest musical acts in history. They sold out stadiums across continents, broke countless streaming records, topped the Billboard charts, and built one of the most passionate fan bases the world has ever seen. But there was always one achievement that remained just out of reach: a Grammy Award. For years, fans celebrated every nomination, every performance, and every step BTS took forward, music's most prestigious stage. So, when the Recording Academy introduced a brand new Grammy category, specifically recognizing Asian pop music, many expected BTS to embrace it. But instead, they walked away. The group reported decision not to submit their music under the new category sent shockwaves across social media. Some people praised them for standing by their principles. Others believed they were rejecting a long overdue opportunity for Asian representation. And suddenly, what seemed like a celebration of Asian music turned into one of the most heated Grammy debates in recent years. So, what exactly happened? Why they made this decision? Why are people defending the Recording Academy? And is this controversy really about one award? Or is it about something much big? Let's break it all down. To understand why the story matters so much, we have to go back several years. When BTS debuted in 2013, few people outside South Korea expected them to become a global phenomenon. They came from a relatively small entertainment company. They weren't backed by one of the Korea's biggest agencies, and entering the American music industry in this language seemed almost impossible. Yet, years after years, BTS proved everyone wrong. Albums reached number one on Billboard, their concerts sold out in minutes, song dominated streaming platforms worldwide, they became the first Korean act to headline major American stadiums. But despite all the achievements, the Grammy remained different. Unlike fan-voted award shows, Grammy winners are chosen by members of the Recording Academy, a voting body made up of music professionals. Recognition there has always carried a different kind of prestige. In 2021, BTS earned their first Grammy nomination for Dynamite in the Best Pop Group Performance category. History has been made, although they didn't win, many fans believed it was only a beginning. Over the following years, BTS continued receiving nominations and delivered memorable Grammy performances watched by millions of people around the world. Still, the trophy never came. For many armies, it felt like BTS had already proven themselves countless times, which is why the event of 2026 caught everyone completely off the guard. In June 2026, the Recording Academy announced several changes for the upcoming Grammy Awards. One announcement immediately stood out: a brand new category called Best Asian Pop Music Performance. According to the Academy, the category was created to recognize outstanding pop music originating from Asian markets, including genres such as K-pop, J-pop, and C-pop, especially music performed in Asian languages. At first glance, the announcement sounded like progress. For years, people had argued that Asian artists deserved greater visibility on one of the music's biggest stages. The global success of artists from Korea, Japan, China, Thailand, and many other countries had transformed the music industry. Supporters believed the Grammy were finally acknowledging the reality. Many celebrated the announcement as a historic step towards better representation, but almost immediately, one question began to appear: would this category truly expand opportunities, or would it unintentionally separate Asian artists from competing alongside everyone else? That question quickly became the center of the debate. Not long after the announcement, reporters emerged that BTS would not submit their music for consideration in the new Asian pop category. This wasn't simply about declining one nomination, it became a symbolic statement. Many fans interpreted the decision as BTS wanting their music to be evaluated as pop music without being placed into a category based primarily on geography or language. From their perspective, BTS has spent years proving they belonged on the same stage as every major global artist. Accepting a separate category, some argued, could send the wrong message. Supporters viewed it as a standing up for equality rather than separation. Critics, however, saw the situation differently. They argued their rejection, the category overlooked the opportunities it could create for smaller Asian artists who rarely receive Grammy recognition. Almost overnight, social media exploded. Army, music journalists, industry professionals, everyone had an opinion. But one response in particular changed the conversation. Soon after the controversy began, a music executive who said they had helped advocate for the creation of the category shared a lengthy public statement. According to them, the purpose of the category had been misunderstood. They explained that creating entirely new Grammy categories isn't simple. It requires years of discussions, proposals, and approvals from different committees within the Recording Academy. The goal, they said, was never to isolate BTS. Instead, the category that designed to shine a spotlight on Asian artists who often receive little international recognition despite producing exceptional music. They pointed out some many people hadn't noticed. BTS were already one of the biggest pop groups in the world. They had the visibility, they had worldwide audience, they had access to major Grammy categories. The artists this new category hoped to highlight were those who had never been given that same opportunity. According to the committee, this wasn't intended to be the first step, not the final solution for increasing Asian representation across the Grammy Awards. They also expressed disappointment that the conversation has become so diverse. Rather than discussing how representation could continue to grow, much of the online debate focused solely on BTS. To them, the original purpose had been overshadowed. At the end of the day, this controversy was never just about one Grammy category. For many fans, BTS' decision wasn't about rejecting recognition, it was about standing by a principle they have represented for years. BTS has always said they want their music to be judged for its artistry, not by the language they sing in or the country they came from. After spending years breaking barriers and competing on the global stage, many armies felt that accepting a category based on region didn't align with the message BTS have carried throughout their career. At the same time, the Recording Academy explained that the new category wasn't created to separate Asian artists from the main awards. According to the Academy, it was intended to give more visibility to talented artists across Asia while still allowing them to compete in major Grammy categories. Whether people agree with that explanation or not, it's important to understand the intention behind it before forming an opinion. What's undeniable is that BTS have already changed the music industry forever. They didn't open doors for K-pop, they helped change how the world views music beyond language and borders. They proved that a Korean group could top global charts, sell outside stadiums around the world, earn Grammy nominations, and inspire millions of people from every corner of the globe. Because of that impact, it's understandable why this decision became such a major discussion. BTS have reached a point where every choice they make carries meaning not just for themselves but for the industry as a whole. As fans, it's completely okay to have different opinions. Some may believe BTS made the right decision, others believe that the new category could still help many emerging Asian artists. Both conversations can exist respectfully without taking away from everything BTS has achieved. One thing, however, is certain whether they win a Grammy or never submit again, BTS' legacy has been written into the music industry. Their influence can't be measured by a single trophy or a single award show. Their music, their message, and the barriers they have broken will continue to inspire artists and fans for generations to come. And maybe that's the biggest takeaway from this entire story. Sometimes the biggest victories aren't the awards you receive, They are the changes you inspire. I'd love to know what you think. Please keep the